Not everything in spring has to be pastels. We are going to share this really fun neon flower inspiration for you. So I am using a very fine line brush here, and I want to talk about it just a little bit. These are disposable eyeliner brushes. We do have them in the shop. They come in a pack of like 50 or 100. Very cheap, and they'll last you forever. You buy these ones, they'll last you forever. You can rinse these brushes and reuse them. They are almost sharp to the touch when you first open them. As you use them, they kind of get a little softer to the tip, but you can do these really fine lines, these fun little speckles. So you saw me do the one flower outline there. Now I'm just going to pull together a couple more of these little slice style rocks and create the rest of the flower. I'm going to hide these separately so nobody's ever going to actually put this together, but you can see we're just using wispy lines just to kind of give the petals some structure, and then we're using a pointillism speckling style in the centers of the flowers. Next, we're going to come back with a slightly larger brush and start adding on our neon colors. Now I'm just color blocking in some streaks of each color one at a time. Let your colors dry in between because you don't actually want them to blend if you're trying to at least replicate what I'm doing here. We're going for more of this bright pop art style look. So my pink is dry. Now I'm coming in with yellow, or I'm sorry, orange. I will come back with yellow. I decided to do the centers with the yellow and the orange mostly, and the petals I'm not adding as much of the yellow into. I'm coming back with some green, and you just kind of bounce around until your petals are full. Don't worry about going over your black a little bit. Once it's completely dry, we are going to come back and add in our black lining again. So let the first layer dry, come back with your colors again, fill in anywhere that the white is poking through. You don't want any white on your petals when you're done. Again, hit that with a blow dryer if you need, or step away for a moment, and then come back with your black, and we're going to come and really crisp up your outline, give it a nice black outline, kind of redo some of those inner lines. I like to dash and dot. I love having little dots in these as well. Take your time with this. This is your final touch, so if you need to do a little bit and walk away, that's fine. Holding these tiny little disposable eyeliner brushes can be hard on your hands because they're very skinny. So if you need to take breaks, go for it. I personally love the bright pop of the neon, but you could definitely do these in any color palette you like. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up and let me know what you think in the comments below.